Spring is upon us. Hi, and welcome to Peace of Zach. Today we're here in beautiful La Mesa, California at Lake Murray. While surrounded by the city of La Mesa, Lake Murray is actually owned and operated by the city of San Diego. And we're feeding the ducks, and oh, it's such a beautiful day. Girls, stay, don't get too close to the water's edge, otherwise you'll slip in.
Look, they're all trying to eat.
Oh, isn't that fun? Oh, it's so relaxing. Here, give me a little bit more.
Ducky!
Ooh, look at the ducks over there too. Sometimes, you know, our lives are so busy, and sometimes we just need to stop and feed the ducks. I have a friend, and she lives her life by this. She goes probably out to feed the ducks at least twice a month. Not here at Lake Murray. She actually goes to the South Bay to a park in Chula Vista, but she swears by it. Did you enjoy feeding the ducks?
Yeah.
Why did you enjoy feeding the ducks?
Because it was just fun.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this duck.
Ooh.
Hey, ducky duck. Actually, there's another dam underneath the water, but it was covered over by water some time ago. You know, watching my daughter play with the ducks, it's just, we spend so much of our lives just so busy, and it's so nice just to relax for a couple of minutes. Lake Murray, part of the San Diego River. And sometimes you even have to pick up trash when you come out to places like this. Right, Alyssa?
Right.
We don't want to be litter bugs. Give me your hand. Ready? Oh, and look, there's a squirrel. Right there by the tree.
Doggies! Oh, are you a dog walker?
I am.
Look at all these dogs. Some people bring their boats here. They have bike rentals here, and they rent other things here too, like boats, kayaks. There's no overnight camping, but you can stay here all day long. So somebody brought their RV. Whoa.